All right, so Arshad asked this question. Is it possible to add custom text entry and auto-populate that text? In response to my video I showed this morning of using a drop-down to add text to a text field. So let's modify this to do what he wants it to do. First thing we're going to do is we're going to remove all the code, and then we're just going to create a equal statement. Text field 1 dot raw value plus equals this dot raw value. So what this is saying is text field 1, whatever it already is, add to or append to this dot raw value. And it probably is good to put in something like a carriage return and a line feed each time, so that it will separate the two different answers. So let's try it now. And I have to make sure I account for the first value being null. So let me do that now. So we will have to put in an if statement. So what we'll do is we'll say if there's nothing in text field 1, then text field 1 equals this dot raw value. But then else, we'll put our statement in that way. So what we're doing here is we're saying if there's nothing in the text field at all, don't put in the carriage return line feed and that would be no good, or append. Just make it equal to whatever's in the dropdown. And then the second time through, when there's something there, this if statement, this conditional will not be met, and so it'll go to the else conditional and it'll do this. Now let's add a value 4. Right now we can't type any values in the text in the drop-down box. So in order to do that, we need to turn on, for the drop-down list, allow custom text entry. Also, just for visual sake, I'm going to put that at top justified. All right, now let's try it. All right, and now let's put value 4 in there. Or we can do anything we want. And the text field should be set to expand if need be, and it is. So Arshad's question is, how do we append? And that's how you do it. You use a script, an append script. That's what this plus equals is. It appends a value to what's already there. Whereas equals just creates the first entry or a single entry to the text field.